Hi, I'm Narelle from Bindies. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together the pocket that you can attach to the back of your quilt to make it into a quillo. It does come in our kits as a bonus, so if you don't want to put it on the back of the quilt, you can turn it into a pocket or just use it as a mat or something for your little ones. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, this is one of our Pirate series ones that I've got a pocket attached, and it's all folded up into the pillow. So when we take it out, okay, and when you take it out, you turn the pillow back through, and as the quilt comes out, it pulls it out as well. So we have our quilt, okay, and then on the back is the pocket. And at the end I'll show you how to fold it all the way back in there again. But I'm going to show you how to put the two pocket pieces together with the wadding and place it onto the back of the quilt. So in each video of each different style of quilt, I've shown you how to piece the pocket piece together, and because that is different on each one. But in this one I'm going to show you how to actually put the pocket together. So you've got your two pieces of your pocket and a piece of wadding that has it's a little bit larger than what the actual pocket is. Okay, so with the two pieces from your pocket from our kit, you'll also need a piece of wadding slightly larger than the size of the pocket. So when you purchase your wadding for your quilt, just make sure you get a little bit extra just so you can do your pocket, or you might have some hanging around at home. Okay, so we've got our two pieces, we've nicely ironed them. Okay. And what we do is we get one piece, lay it on the wadding, and it's going to be face up, looking at us. Okay, and with your second piece, we're going to put it face down, so it's matching the one below. Now, we're going to put that together. Now you can feel where the seams are from the one below and the one above and try and match them as best you can. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pin it together. So I'm just going to pin. It's not a huge one, so we don't need a lot of pins. It sort of sticks to the wadding. And I've still left the walking foot on the machine from when I was quilting, because we've still got 3 layers of fabric here that we need to go through. Now as I'm sewing, I'm going to have to leave a gap for me to turn the pocket through. So what I normally do is look at a pin, double it, and that's enough gap to leave. Okay, so you've got this is a flower head pin. So we're looking at about, what would that be on our little scale here, about 5-6 inches. We're going to leave so we can turn the pocket through. And I leave the gap on the side, and I'll show you why I do that later, but I do leave a gap on one of the sides of the pocket. So I'm just going to sit down and I'm going to sew this for you.